Welcome to Quest Diagnostics. Our Lenexa, Kansas facility is one of the largest single-site laboratories in the world. The laboratory is a completely secure environment, inspected and certified by federal and state regulatory agencies. This LEED-certified lab was built in 1999 and is over 290,000 square feet, covering a 52-acre site. At this facility, we screen approximately 50,000 specimens daily, which includes testing for our toxicology, clinical, insurance, wellness, and lab cart clients. With more than 25,000 workplace testing clients, Quest Diagnostics is the nation's leading provider of drugs of abuse screening for employers. The company publishes the Drug Testing Index, an annual summary of more than 7 million drug test results. This report has long been considered a benchmark for the U.S. workforce drug trend since its inception in 1988. In our Kansas laboratory, we test approximately 15,000 blood, hair, oral fluid, and urine workplace specimens daily for drugs of abuse or alcohol. The toxicology testing process begins when a specimen and accompanying chain of custody paperwork arrive at the lab. As a part of the chain of custody process, employers and specimen collectors can also utilize our proprietary electronic order processing solution called eRec. This process saves time, ensures quality, and provides clients with increased information and tracking throughout the applicant and employee screening process. At Quest Diagnostics, all drug testing specimens, not just those which are federally mandated, are processed according to the rigid quality control guidelines outlined by SAMHSA, the Department of Transportation, or other regulatory agencies. Specimens undergo a two-tiered testing process. First is the initial screening, which is done on one portion of the specimen and is designed to rapidly isolate negative samples from those which need additional testing to confirm the outcome. The next step in the process is the confirmation test on a second portion of the specimen, which uses definitive methods such as gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, GC-MS, that specifically identify and quantify the drug or drug metabolite in the specimen. When a drug or drug metabolite is identified at a concentration equal to or above the administrative cutoff, the result is reported by the laboratory as positive. The external chain of custody documents supplied by Quest Diagnostics to the client contain a unique client and specimen identification number that is included on the final test report. There is also a unique lab accession number assigned, which is used for tracking the sample throughout the testing and reporting process. Each chain of custody form contains a tamper-evident security seal on the specimen container, which is pre-printed with the same number as the form. As a final quality check, all chain of custody documents and analytical data are reviewed by a certifying scientist prior to reporting to the client or medical review officer. We retain positive oral fluid and urine specimens frozen for 13 months and stand behind our testing. If needed, Quest Diagnostics experts provide testimony for legal or administrative hearings. Our highly automated processes and stringent quality guidelines have made this toxicology laboratory one of the most highly regarded laboratories in the country.